The orthopedic shoes, or elephant feet, orthopedic shoes, they're done. All 4 of them are done. We have the non-skid on here. This one's got the extra wood in it to bring that leg up.
I sanded them all down. I applied a little bit of a chamfer to the top. We did, what do you call, let the pressure-treated lumber stick out the bottom a little bit, and then I've got the grippy surface, sort of belt and suspenders, so that we don't have damp problems with these loom feet ever again. And now I'm going to take them downstairs and apply stain.
Once they're stained, then we'll go on to assembling the loom, hopefully for the last time. We'll record that, and you can watch us assemble the loom. It'll probably be time-lapse, but that being what it is. So we have the 4 boxes. Oops, I'm dropping stuff off my tools. We're ready to go with these. Oh, by the way, this may be the last episode in this series, but you never know.
We'll see.
Okay.
All right, so next step of the loom is we're going to put the feet on the loom legs and then assemble it. And once it's assembled, I need to attach the warp beam and the cloth beam. I need to cut some leather straps to do that. So we have this nice roll of leather that's been sitting around in our house, and I haven't had anything to do with it, and now I have a reason to have it.
Is this 12 ounce?
Yeah.
12 ounce.
Yeah.
Oof.
Well, I found when I was cleaning up the beams that the original probably there were a couple leather straps. Yes, shop dog.
We have shop dog. Shop dog in the shot.
Leather straps on it, and I think originally also a cloth strap at some point. So I have my choice of which I want to use. I think I'm going to use the leather since I have the roll of leather to use.
So, should we get started?
Yeah, let's get started.
Let me. This is the one that needs the higher foot.
Yeah, which is the orthopedic.
This
one,
is
right there.
There
we go.
That's the high one.
Yep, that's the high one.
And then a big one goes in the back.
Yeah. Voila, it's back together. Mostly. I still have to put the treadles on, and as I said, put the warp and cloth beam sticks, lots of sticks, and then start assembling the heddles. And so that's it for now. More later.
Yes, more to come. I want to shoot a follow-up video of Mara warping this loom and doing some weaving on it so you can see the whole process. But for right now, we're done with this particular series. Thank you for watching.
Thank you. See you again later.
And the words I'm supposed to say right now are like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, make great things out of wood.
And fabric.
What she said.